Hey guys, Tyler here, and if you clicked on this video, you probably want to learn about the tow hitch on the Rivian R1S. So let's check it out. According to Rivian, the R1S towing capacity is 7,700 pounds. The R1T pickup can tow quite a bit more at 11,000 pounds. The 2-inch receiver is located on the rear of the vehicle behind a removable cover. To remove the cover, there are 2 quarter-turn fasteners to undo, and then you pull the cover downward. This will take a bit of a tug. Once removed, the 2-inch receiver and 7-way trailer plug will be revealed. So I don't haul any trailers, but I do carry my bikes around. So let's see how my bike rack fits. Can we still get into the back of the car? Yep, good there. Okay, now the fun part, putting this thing back on. As you can see in the upper corners, it gets a little tight because of the shape of this cover. Although the cover does help with aerodynamics, if you're going to be using that tow hitch a lot, you're probably best off just leaving the cover off. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more Rivian content. See you next time.